Hey everyone, it's Pauli here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to promote your ClickBank products even if you are a complete beginner. So I'm super excited guys because in this video, I'm going to show you the products that you can promote, the strategies that you can implement, and the exact traffic source that I personally use for me to be able to generate results like this. You'll see here that on a weekly basis, I'm getting about $900 to $2,000 in sales. And on a daily basis, I'm getting about $40 to $500 in sales. Also at the bottom of this page right here, there's a section where it says vendor, and there's also a section where it says affiliate. So you will see that I am an affiliate. So you and I, we are affiliates. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'll show you the exact strategies and the traffic source that I personally use for me to be able to get results like this. And you'll see last month I made $25,477, and so